Yeah, what it do, YouTube? We got us some bullshit to do today. They ain't bringing us no new cars and nothing like that. So I got some tires that came in today. So y'all gonna fuck with me today and watch your boy do some tires. But I ain't got no real work today, y'all. So yeah, my babies. Nothing but some tires today, y'all. That's crazy. But being a flat rate tech, though, especially working on used cars around this time of the year, well, I don't know. In my area, it's slow right now, like tremendously slow. I mean, it's slow like you getting like 40 hours for 2 weeks, type of slow type shit. You feel me? But I guess that's part of how I go when you're a flat rate tech, though. The downside of it, because when it is good, it is good. I'm about to pull in the shop right now, y'all. So it was crazy. The parts guy didn't even tell me my tires here. He probably gonna try to tell me now that I'm rolling in, but I already knew that shit. So you fucking late. And I thought these tires been here since last week, to be honest with you. And he gonna talk about they supposed to be here today. And they been sitting on these same 2 tires been sitting on the floor since Friday. I could have did this shit last year, y'all feel me? But hey, we gonna get it in today. I know he gonna wanna pull up and talk to me, y'all, so I'm gonna cut y'all off. Then I'm gonna cut y'all back on and get these tires ready. Just put this shit on. There go them tires right there too. I will be the best. Well, I don't see no inside outside much on the tire.
bullshit right here. I don't know.
So YT, we is back. And we got another car now. Shit, well not another car, but this car had from early in the week. The radio then came in, so 2017 CTS2 at that. The screen stopped working and shit, so we're gonna have to put this bad boy back in. Hopefully I remember how everything went, but it should be pretty simple. So I'm gonna set this camera up and everything for y'all. Yeah, let y'all ride with me. Well, however you want to see while I'm working on this, y'all. Stay tuned. I hope y'all can see everything good, y'all. Shit. Yeah, shit, let's get to it. Like I said, I really hope I remember how to put a lot of this stuff back together, but I should. Rip me out the plastic. I've been had it brand new. Damn. Boy, it's gonna be green. They took the bracket for the radio, which I think they did. I ain't gonna lie. I think they did took a couple things with this. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be a bracket that's it right here. Or maybe I could be wrong. So I can change in here too, y'all. Yeah, right there. It's kind of hot with this jacket on too, but yeah, man, I swear, I feel like it's a lot of pieces missing up out of here, y'all. I feel like I got some connector that's supposed to go right here in this hole. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. We probably won't even be finished this today. Because I'm looking at it. And I'm pretty sure I'm missing these connectors right here. Because that goes to the hazard lights. This goes to the glove box. This will go to the radio. So the black one will go right here. This black one right here will go right here. I mean, this white one will definitely plug up in here. Yeah. Yeah, y'all. I guess we ain't doing this today, but I'm looking forward to it in another video, I guess. Cause I gotta send all this back. See if they got the old radio and everything. Or at least see if they got the old radio so I can get these pieces out. But if not, I'm gonna let them figure that out. So yeah. I guess that's that, y'all. Shit. We're gonna have to go find us something else to do, y'all. Stay tuned.